If you are not receiving the WhatsApp verification code, here is how to fix it. First, make sure your phone number is entered correctly, including the country code. Avoid using extra zeros or symbols. Then check your phone's signal. Poor network coverage can delay SMS. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data as needed, and restart your phone. Also, if you are using an SMS blocking app or if do not disturb mode is on, disable it. Now open WhatsApp again and request for the code. If SMS still doesn't arrive, choose the Call Me option to get the verification code through a voice call if it's available. And don't forget, wait to at least a minute before tapping Resend. If this guide helped, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more helpful fixes and tech tips.